In this video, I'm going to show you how to embed Google Drive in Notion step by step so you can place files directly inside your workspace and keep everything organized in one place. This is super useful if you want quick access to PDFs, documents, videos, or other files without constantly switching tabs. If you find this helpful, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more easy software tutorials like this. Let's jump in. First, open Google Drive and find the file you want to embed into Notion. This method works best with individual files like a PDF, a document, or a video file. Once you've found the file, right-click it and choose Share. Then click Share again if needed to open the full sharing settings. Now look for the access setting and change it to anyone with the link. This is an important step because Notion can only embed the file properly if the link is accessible. After that, click Copy Link to save the shareable URL to your clipboard. Now let's move over to Notion. Open the page where you want the Google Drive file to appear. On a blank line, type /embed, then press Enter. Notion will create an embed block for you. Next, paste the Google Drive link you copied a moment ago into the embed field. Once the link is in place, click Embed Link. Notion will try to load the file directly inside your page. If everything is set correctly, your Google Drive file should now appear embedded inside Notion. You can drag it around, resize it, and organize it just like any other content block. This makes it a great way to build dashboards, content hubs, project pages, or resource libraries inside Notion. Now, there's one very important thing to keep in mind. Google Drive folders usually do not embed properly in Notion. In most cases, folders won't display the way you expect. For the most reliable results, stick to individual files such as PDFs, docs, images, presentations, or videos. That way, you'll avoid broken embeds and get a much smoother setup. If the embed doesn't work right away, double check that the file is set to anyone with the link and that you copied the correct Google Drive file link. Also, make sure you're embedding a file and not a folder. Those small details usually solve most issues, so that's it. You now know how to embed Google Drive and Notion in just a few simple steps. If this video helped you out, please give it a like, subscribe for more tutorials, and let me know in the comments what software guide you want next. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.